Hello friends, this is Opinion News. I am Bhagyanarayana Boggovarpu. Today I want to discuss about farmer suicide figures and the truth behind creating such figures in India. Recently, National Crime Reports Bureau has released 2018's farmer suicide statistics, which is very surprising because the numbers which are shown on record are actually not matching with the ground realities when we speak to the people who really work on the field. But still, as these are official numbers, we just have to accept it, but with a pinch of salt. Today, I am going to talk about those figures and also the reason behind registering so less figures and other issues. Before I go ahead, I have a request. This is my new YouTube channel, Opinion News. Please do subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, press the like button. Let me know your opinion and comments in the comment section, and also please share this video and ask your friends and family members to subscribe to this channel. So let us see what is actually there in National Crime Reports Bureau's report. In 2018, according to this report, totally there are 1,34,000 people who have committed suicide in India in 2018, out of which the farmer suicide numbers are 10,349. 10,349 people have officially committed suicide due to farming issues and agri distress. That means, on an average, 28 farmers commit suicide or end their life due to issues faced in the farming field. It could be loan repayment or not getting the fair price for their crops and going into loss due to that, or any other issue which led to ending their life. So 28 people per day commit suicide as farmers in India. If you look at the list, the first state which is standing in the first #1 spot is Maharashtra. From past few decades, Maharashtra has been retaining this spot for this suicide of farmers due to their Vidarbha and other regional problems. Maharashtra recorded around 3,591 cases in the year 2018 according to this report, which is 34.7% of the national figures, which in average converts into 10 suicide cases of farmers every day in Maharashtra. In the second place, we have Karnataka, which has recorded 2,400 cases of farmer suicide due to farming issues, which is like 23.2% of the national figures, and it counts to 6.5 suicides per day in 2018. In the third spot, we have Telangana state, which has recorded 910 farmer suicides, and which is like 2.5 suicides per day of the farmers. And in the end, in the same report, there is one statement which I was really surprised to see, because I don't know how the government thinks the people would accept this report with this statement. This statement says that out of 30 states in India, 5 states have recorded 0 farmer suicide cases in the year 2018. Yes, 0 farmer suicide cases. It's so surprising, but it's more surprising to see which are those states. One of the states is West Bengal. West Bengal says there is not even a single number of cases where a farmer has committed a suicide because of farming issues or any other issue related to agriculture. And the other state which said is Bihar. With so big vast population, Bihar believes that people should believe the statement that not even a single person as a farmer committed suicide in 2018 due to farming issues. The other three states are Uttaranchal, Odisha and Meghalaya. These three states also mentioned that not even a single case has been registered under farming suicides. Maybe these states have very special facilities for the farmers, and maybe everybody is going on their lives very smoothly and very happily. And to add to this, there are 6 union territories which also said that not even a single case of farmer suicide has been reported in their region. Those union territories include Delhi and Puducherry also, which have a big population of agriculture. But still, they said not even a single case is there in their territory which is caused due to farming issues or agricultural distress. Friends, I was going through this report. I thought I should be sharing these figures before you, because none of the mainstream media or this Godi media will get these figures in front of you. Only the people like us, or maybe some alternative news agencies, or maybe a local news agency which tries to discuss this, but for no results, because governments are not serious on these issues. India has never been serious about agricultural issues, due to which we are facing so many issues in the agricultural field, especially losing farmers in thousands every year. Friends, again I am requesting you to please do subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, click the like button, and let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. And also please share this video among your friends and families and ask them to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.